A squash. Just put one in there so we can start it. Just one. Oh, he separated them too. Push him down. Good boy. See, I know how to garden. My mommy taught me. We still got corn. We just did squash. Oh, we got watermelon. Let's do a watermelon. And these are seeds, starting by seeds, so that's okay to put them in there. And when they're so little enough, when they're seedlings, we can get them out and put them in a bigger pot. More? All right, 4 is enough, Joshua. Come on, get some good dirt. Come on. Oh, this is still good. It got fertilizer in it. Mix it with cow manure. Give me your little bucket. Ready? Good boy. Good job, Joshua. All right, here you go. Here's your watermelon seeds. There you go. Put it in. Push it down. Good boy. Good boy. We need to change that diaper, huh? All right, here. All right, I'll do the rest. You gonna do it? Put it in a different spot. There you go. Good boy. You drop one? Put a little more on top. All right, good job. Come on. All right, water them gently. Gently, very nicely. Good boy. Good job. We got some garlic too. That's why I say these little containers. I got bit by an ant. So I can start my 2 garlics in here. And Mr. Man out here getting wet, but he'll be ready to take a nap after this. I'm gonna let him wet it up. And our phone is on 15%. Thank you. We're gonna put everything on the table that we're starting in seeds up here because the cats, stray cats, be done came and did Lord knows what. Remember these bags, they smell like cat. Cute. The other ones I rinsed, but I had new bags out here that I put my new stuff in. Okay, y'all. I made my cloudy day sunny again. Me and my baby. Right, Joshua? Let me clean my hands. Thank you. And if y'all do want to take a look at what I planted yesterday, my tomatoes, they already got little spuds for flowers. You see that? They ready to bud already. I put that in there this morning. And then here's the one I did yesterday. Pepper plant. Doing good already. And then peach tree. You already know. She getting full. Look at her. She is so beautiful. Potatoes. They still doing good. But guess what? Remember, these are the ones I planted in January, right? Hold on. These are January. 1, 2, 3, 4. But look at the one I just put in last month in March. And that's a russet. Look how big it is. And healthy. And this one never had any water from the faucet. But look at the ones who had a little bit of water from the faucet. From the hose. So I don't know. I don't know if they got anything to do with it or not. Or if they're just ready to transition to be harvested soon. But anyway, that's it for today, y'all. There goes some of the like yellow potatoes up. I can actually cut that and still use it, but I just be doing this shit out here, y'all. Alright. We're signing off.